Yo, what is going on today, brothers? I appreciate you stopping by brotherhood.finance, and I appreciate you joining the Brotherhood. Just some quick updates before we dive into cryptocurrencies and how to use Coinbase and the ways to maneuver and navigate around the platform itself. Please make sure to leave a like, subscribe to this channel. I appreciate it very much. Besides that, we opened up a Brotherhood Finance Discord. We started this about a day or two ago. It's almost pushing 200 members. So that's growing very rapidly. And then obviously we have our TikTok at brotherhood.finance and then our Instagram at brotherhood.finance. But let's dive into this video. So we're going to be talking about Coinbase. Again, we have our links in the top right if you want to get started in Coinbase. We're going to dive into why I think you should really start trading and selling cryptocurrencies and get involved. So first, let's just talk about what Coinbase is and why I use it. So as it says right here, Coinbase was founded in 2012 and is a fully regulated and licensed cryptocurrency exchange in 40 U.S. states and territories. Coinbase initially only allowed for Bitcoin trading, but quickly began adding cryptocurrency that fit its decentralized criteria. So again, this is massive. Coinbase was founded in 2012. It is one of the biggest platforms for selling and trading cryptocurrency, and a multitude of cryptos like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, etc. So just a little bit about Bitcoin. How do you buy it and use it? So you can own a Bitcoin in just a few minutes. So you have to create an account like other firms. Then you have to verify your identity, and then you can buy Bitcoin. So a lot of the questions I normally get about Bitcoin and cryptocurrency is how much money do I need to start? And you can really start with any amount of cryptocurrency. You can buy a little or a lot, as it says here. You can start with $25, $1,000, $10,000, or $10. So it really just depends on the amount of the position size you're willing to take and you want to take to advance yourself forward within the cryptocurrency server. And I would recommend definitely getting involved in this because I think this is the beginning of cryptocurrency. I like to think of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency as like the internet, but for 2021. Think about in the 1990s when the internet was just first starting. People, they didn't really understand what the internet is. That's kind of how I feel like cryptocurrencies are looked at. But so again, Coinbase is how the world uses crypto. Like I said, in 2012 it started. Currently they have 43 million verified users, 455 total volume traded, and 90 billion plus in assets in the platform. And it's in 100 plus countries. So this is just my Coinbase right here. It shows, I have these saved to my watch list like Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, etc. And I usually track this every once in a while on a daily basis, weekly basis, etc. So again, this is our link for the top right. It gives us both free $10 if you sign up. So I highly recommend getting involved in Coinbase. It's not going to cost you anything. You can just set up an account. So yeah, that's how you do it right there. That is the cryptocurrency and just a brief overview of Coinbase. We're going to dive into the further aspect here soon. All right, brothers, for now, for the second part of the video, let's look at where I believe Bitcoin is headed. So we're gonna look at and dive into the stock to flow ratio, and then we're gonna dive into my portfolio and where Bitcoin's currently at and my hypothetical projection. So let's just go to here's our TikTok, by the way, brotherhood.finance. If you haven't followed that, we have a giveaway actually going on right now. So all you have to do is like and subscribe to the channel and comment it down below on our Instagram or our TikTok, and you will enter the raffle for a $200 Bitcoin giveaway. And then also we have our Discord, like I mentioned before. So we're going to enter that in a link in the description down below as well. So let's dive into the stock to flow ratio like I was just talking about. So this is a heavy analysis that you can follow. The stock to flow ratio is very well known. So let's watch this.
My prediction is what I think. I'm going to actually show you a real financial model. And so this is using the stock to flow model, which Bitcoin's pretty much followed to a very heavy accuracy. Okay, so back here you had in 2018 the peak of the cycle being at 19,345. Right, this would be the long-term 1,458 day moving average. And then this would be the 200-day moving average. Okay, we're right here. Okay, this is based on every single halving cycle that repeats almost every 4 years. So if the model stays true, and Bitcoin just follows, keeps doing what it's done now 3 times prior, okay, we'll end up seeing a bull rally all the way up going into what would be the beginning of 2022, having a top of about $342,000 per Bitcoin before doing another pullback and another recession similar to 2018. Okay. Even if it just follows the moving average, we're talking about a massive increase of between even $50,000 to close to $150,000 per Bitcoin. So this is one of the reasons why this is such an exciting time to start investing in Bitcoin and even start getting into crypto.
All right, brothers. So that's the stock to flow ratio, like I mentioned. I appreciate you stopping by Brotherhood Finance as always. If you have any comments, leave them down below as always, and we'll get back to you. Any stocks that you want us to go over, suggestions. Here soon we're going to have additional stocks to invest in. If you check out some of the stocks we mentioned before, those stocks are, they're performing very well. So hopefully you add those to your portfolio as always. But again, I appreciate you stopping by Brotherhood Finance. Make sure to check out our links if you want to get started in Coinbase. So I appreciate you stopping by. Have a good rest of your day and take it easy. Peace.